Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how to remove the original sound audio on an Instagram Reel in Android. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Once you're in, look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to create a new reel. Step 2. Next, either record a new video by holding down the capture button or select an existing one from your gallery. Make sure it's the clip you want to use before moving forward. Step 3. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see a music note icon. That's the audio track button. Tap on it to open the sound settings for your reel. Step 4. Inside the audio settings, look for the controls option at the bottom. This is where you'll find the slider to adjust the original audio volume. Step 5. Here's the key step. You'll see a slider labeled Original Audio. Simply drag it all the way to the left to reduce the volume to 0. This will completely mute the original sound from your video. Step 6. Once you've turned down the original audio, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Step 7. Now if you want, you can add new music by browsing Instagram's library, or you can leave your reel silent. It's totally up to you. Step 8. Finally, proceed to post your reel as usual. And that's it. Your video will now play without the original audio. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.